It's Tone Bogans time again, and today we have the Last Artist series micro pedal. Oh gross, it's dusty as well like the other one was. I will clean this before any close-ups, I'm sorry about that. This is the Deep Space Reverb, and again this can be replaced by one of the Joyo Iron Man series reverbs if it has the settings of room, hall, church and plate. Then this is a clone of the Joyo, which is ironic, don't you think? It's ironic that this is a rebadged Joyo, and Joyos are rebadged whatever they can get their hands on at the time. So that's some delicious little irony there with our pedals that we've had. This one, wow, I've cranked up the mix to full on this, so I was obviously using that as an ambient wash after my looper, I'm thinking, because that and the decay, wow, they're cranked. Got some nice little tone at about 2 o'clock as well. I'm thinking this is either in a loop or totally after the looper, making some of the lo-fi ambient that I used to post quite a bit of. I might return to that. I just got a little bit bored of it, so maybe it's time to revisit. But yeah, we'll have a quick little look at this, and I might do, now that we've done a few of these, I did do Mosky versus the Eno Tri Reverb. We could add this into the mix as well and see how they all compare. Although I kind of feel like the Spring Reverb we may have done enough videos on, but let me know your thoughts on that. Very much for being here, for watching, for your likes, subscribing. I appreciate every single one of your comments as well. I do try to get around to all of them, and I don't think I've mentioned any of those things so far in these videos, but thank you. I always appreciate you and your being here. You could watch pretty much anything else on the internet and you're here watching my videos, so I really appreciate you, and I hope you have a beautiful day. I'll catch you in the next video.